What's up everybody, welcome back. Today we'll be working with rhinestones, and before we get into the video, I just gotta be honest with you, I haven't done this in ages. I'm not gonna lie, it's gonna be a lot of work because we gotta add each color individually, and we have the circles right here, and then we're gonna put every single different color inside the circle, and then we'll add the rhinestones. Okay, now we have our template right here, and as always I'm gonna leave the link in the description where you can find this material right here. And I have the rhinestones right here. We're just gonna pour them in here, and that's why we have this little brush right here. We're just gonna move them around and they'll just fall into each single hole. And once we have all the stones inside the template, we're going to need some kind of transfer tape. It's not just any kind of tape, it has to be specially designed for this type. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut the tape, and just gotta make sure that it covers the whole design. I haven't done it in over a year, so it feels like I'm doing it for the first time. So, okay, and I'm just gonna pour. It's okay, you don't have to worry about using a lot of them because you can reuse them anyway. So, and okay, I'll go ahead and just do this right here like that, like a circular motion. Yeah, you guys can tell I'm not very experienced anymore, and you can see where you have to fix some of them, like this one right here. Let me get closer. I'm missing a few stones, so all you have to do is just grab them with this right here and put them like that. Okay, now we got our tape. This is what you got to do to lift them up. And the logo is gonna go right here. I'll be honest with you guys, I think the logo it's gonna end up kind of low, but we've done it before and she was okay with that. And it's gonna go under here, and then the stones on the sides. I'll show you that in a second. Okay, so we got our first color, the circle, and it's gonna be pretty simple to find the center because this is supposed to be the center, and it's just a circular shape. We can just put it right there. Okay, I'm gonna give it a few seconds now. And I'm gonna do that to every single color, so I'll just show you the end result because I don't want to make this video too long. Okay, now I already placed every single color inside the circle, and now it's time to put the stones. And right now I'll just have it at 319, and I'm going to give it 15 seconds, but I'm gonna have to go back and change the temperature and do it at 330. That's the best timing. Okay, now I'm going to remove the tape. Just like that. Oh, and by the way, you can reuse the tape. I think you can use it up to 5 times. You can tell when it starts to falling apart, but right now I think I've used them for like 3 or 4 times each, and so that's what we do. We just bring them back and reuse them. And just like that, see, this one has been reused like 3 times. And as always, thank you guys very much for watching, and don't forget to give us a like, and if you enjoyed these videos, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys until the next video. Bye.